Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new RST Jetstream CE short summer riding gloves. Okay, the all-new Jetstream Short CE riding gloves from RST retail for $69.99 as the time we're shooting this. We never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been redesigned. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. What do you know? That's what I have on right now. And how's the fit? Well, I mean, it's not terrible. Maybe they would break in, but this is video 16 for today. I've actually done 16 total videos, 8 jackets, 8 pair of gloves. And I'm ending on the glove that, if I'm being honest with you, the glove, which I always am, of course, the glove that I just did before this, the RST Vortec, that sells basically for the same price. It's a similar concept. It's much better executed, in my personal opinion. I would pass this one up. I would go for the Vortec. I think you're going to be happy with that. Features and bennies. We got a mesh right here in the fingers. Going to flow air, nice knuckle protector, subtle styling. Enter and exit here with Velcro. Leather palm. Touchscreen. The execution at the end of the fingers, especially the index finger right here, you can feel all that. Just doesn't feel great. The fingers feel kind of narrow to start. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say I hate it. Let me just double check my price points too to make sure yeah, 100%. The other glove actually retails for $5 less than this one. Buy the Vortec. That's my advice to you today if you're looking for a short riding glove. This isn't terrible. I've definitely felt worse, but you get when you have all these things to compare it to. And I did a lot of videos today, and the other glove before this, same concept, slightly different look, much better done. I hope this video is helpful. I hope the people at RST aren't like, dude, couldn't you said something nicer? It is what it is. Video number 16. Over and out for the day. I'm going to veg out and probably watch YouTube Reels or something. I don't know. Tired of hearing the sound of my own voice, but I won't stop talking. That's also awkward. If you have any questions about this glove, like maybe a link to the Vortec glove, leave that in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.